Do you often wake up feeling quite negative? Would you like to feel more positive in the morning? Well, the mindset switch I'm going to give you today is going to make you feel more positive for the rest of the day. I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach and I hold motivational workshops all around the UK. An amazing mindset switch is gratitude. Fill your mind with all the things that you're grateful for first thing in the morning when you wake up. Think of all the people you're grateful for in your life. Think of all the things around you that you're grateful for in your life. If it helps, write a list the evening before so that when you wake up, that's the first thing you read and you feel grateful for the rest of the day. And that will switch your mindset from the negative into the positive much more quickly and make you into a morning person. My task for you today is to go out and buy a book, especially to write your gratitudes in. Next week, I'm going to be talking about treats as a mindset switch. In order to catch that, subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any gratitudes you'd like to tell me about, share them in the comments.